Hello and welcome back to Productive Dragons channel, where we do unboxes, plan with me's, and other things. And if you like that, please consider subscribing. Today we got our Planner Envy in. Want to see what's inside? Come join me. Planner Envy is a planner sticker kit subscription. You get 3 4-page kits, 3 deco sheets, and accessories, planner accessories. I believe there's 3. They could be paperclip, pen, notepad, you name it. It is $28.50 per month plus shipping and handling. You will receive, let's see here, this is the April 2026 box. It is always a month ahead because they do international, so they ship to other countries and make sure that they can get the kits in time to use them. Now, there is option to do a 3, 6, or 12 months one that has no shipping on it. So let's open this up and see what we got for the month of April. Very vibrant colors. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's start off with the things. So it looks a lot of bees. That's kind of cool. Let's see here. I think these are sticky notes. There we go. We have a bee in the corner, little lemons and flowers, and pokey duckies. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's that set. We have a pen, and it's down here, and I'm going to assume it is black. Yep. Interesting. Okay. All right, so we have black. Well, this is different. We actually have a bookmark instead of a paper clip. It's a bookmark, and if I'm not mistaken, it's magnetic. There we go. Interesting. Okay, it helps when you put this on straight. There we go. All right, so there's the items. That gives us an idea of what we're gonna get. So let's start off with the kits. First kit. We have the butterfly from that, flowers, lemons, okay. Alright, and of course the bees. We have these. Weekend, the dots. We have this, which we do this. And this one is this one right here. Okay, so there's the deco sheet for that one. So, all right, first kit down. All right, next kit. All right. Ooh, tulips. Okay. Got that one. Very nice. Okay. With this. What's this course? And of course, there is this one's deco sheet. All right. One kit down with its deco sheet, and last kit. Here we go, Webbits. Okay. And then we have this one. All right, and then its deco sheet. All right, so one kit and its deco sheet, another kit with its deco sheet, and then this one with its deco sheet, a magnetic bookmark, pen, and no, sticky pads. Yep. What did I think? Oh, it's very interesting. I like the coloring. It's not too bad. This is a different thing, which is kind of nice to have instead of the paper clip. That is pretty cool. All in all, I liked it. What did you all think of this month's kits and the accessories? Let me know in the comments below. Like the video. And until next time, I hope everybody is having a wonderful day.